John Deere 333G. Give you a quick operations video on it. It's a very high lift. Very clean unit. Go ahead and show the 2-speed working. So go forward and backwards, slow speed and high speed. So this is a 2-speed unit. Go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. There's your 2-speed kicking in. It's all working fine. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This unit's available for outright purchase, or give us a call if you're interested in making an offer at 972-666-9501. Equipment Deals, or give us a email at info@equipmentdeals.com.